am back with a surprise video for you people. As you've already seen from the thumbnail of this video that this is gonna be a Savannah haul again. If you follow me on Instagram and you have seen my previous YouTube videos, then you people must know that how much I love shopping from Savannah. Like, it's my favorite clothing brand and website. This is gonna be a haul again from Savannah. So I have got like 9 to 10 outfits from different categories. I just can't wait to show you people everything because all the outfits are so freaking cute. Also, I have a huge surprise for you people. So Savannah will be having its Independence Day sale that is starting from the 8th of August and it will continue till the 14th of August. So do not forget to fill your shopping bags, and by the end of the video I will have a coupon code for you, so do not forget to watch till the end. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I got from Savannah are 3 jumpsuits. I haven't tried jumpsuits before, so I wanted to give it a try that how it looks on me. And so the first one that I got is this very jumpsuit that I am wearing right now. This is the prettiest jumpsuit that I own. It is this Prussian blue color and it has these white and yellow colored flowers printed all over it. Also, it has this ruffle sleeve and the sweetheart neckline that looks so good. I got this one in the size XS, and if you're looking for something that is really cute, summery, and if you want to try a jumpsuit for yourself, you should definitely get this one for yourself. I paired this up with these pearl earrings and a white watch and my white sneakers, and it looks so good. Like, I can't wait to wear it outside. So the second thing that I got from Savannah is another jumpsuit, which is this denim one. I guess it is like called a dangri. Again, I have like never tried a dangri before, but when I was scrolling through Savannah, I saw this one and मुझे लगा कि like mostly kids wear these, but I wanted to try one for myself, so yeah, I got it again. This is like a very cute little dangri which is in this light blue color denim material. It has a pocket in the front and 2 pockets behind. I paired this up with a white top inside and then wore it above it. After wearing this, मुझे वापस से वो kind of बच्चा वाला feeling आ रहा था that I am a school kid again, and I really loved how it was looking on me. I have seen these kinds of dangris all over Pinterest, and after wearing this I like wanted to go for a painting date, so yeah, I'm gonna wear it somewhere like that. And yeah, I also got this one in the size XS. Last jumpsuit that I got is this black colored one. This is like again a short length jumpsuit. It has this embroidered flower kind of pattern in front of the sleeves, has this little tie-up thing in the front, so you can like make a cute bow out of it. Trust me, when I wore it I found that this is the perfect beach outfit. ये पहनने के बाद तो मुझे लग रहा था कि चलो भाई मुझे अभी कोई गोवा लेके जाओ, and yeah, I love it so much. I got this one in the size XS, and if you're finding something like a jumpsuit that you want to wear at a beach, this is the perfect one for you. So yeah, definitely go for it, a 10 on 10. These were all the 3 jumpsuits that I got, and I definitely like all the 3 of them. After the jumpsuits, I went to the bottom section and I got one shorts and one skirt for myself, so I'll be showing you people that first. So the first thing from the bottom section I got is this black colored high-waisted shorts. I have tried to find the perfect black color shorts like everywhere through the internet, but every time I got a shorts for myself, या तो वो थोड़ा लूज होता था या तो वो हाई वेस्टेड नहीं होता था एंड कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो ही जाता था. But then I thought of giving it a last try of finding the perfect black shorts for myself, and this is the one that I got, and I am so in love with this. If you people follow me on Instagram, then you have already seen that I have paired this up with this white colored shirt, and it was looking so good. It has like 2 pockets in the front and also 2 pockets behind, and from the bottom it's like folded. I again got this one in the size XS. If you people are still struggling like me to find the perfect black shorts for yourself, I guess you should definitely give this one a try. I can't elaborate on the material, it is so good. Next thing that I got from the bottom section is a denim skirt, which is this blue colored denim skirt. I had never tried denim skirts before, and again this was the first time I would be trying one. I didn't know how to pair it, but yeah, of course still I got one for myself. Yeah, basically it's just like a shorts only, that is, it has this button and a zipper in front. It has 2 side pockets and also 2 other pockets. I got this one in the size XS, and again the quality is so good. These denim skirts and these denim shorts are something that you must have in your wardrobe. Like, these are some of the basic pieces that you should have, and you can pair it like with so many different tops, create like so many new outfits. Now moving on to my favorite section, that are dresses. So I am so much into bodycon and long dresses at this point, so I got like 3 to 4 bodycon long dresses. So the first dress that I got is the prettiest white colored floral dress that I have in my wardrobe, which is this one. This is like a fit and flared white colored dress, and it has these spaghetti straps which you can adjust according to your convenience. It has this sweetheart neckline and these frills over here. You can see these are so cute, and all over it has these little pink flowers that are printed. So again, like, this is a fit and flare dress which like hugs you at your waist and then flares up at the bottom, and at the bottom bottom it also has like this little slit, makes it a bit sexy on top of being cute. And also I got this one in the size XS and it fits me so well. If you're looking for a perfect summer dress and you want to wear it on a picnic, this is the one that I would suggest for you people. You should definitely go for it and I just love it. Also, you people are not ready for the next dress. I have been eyeing on this dress since a very long time and finally I got it. This dress is all over the internet, which is this beautiful red colored maxi bodycon dress. I actually didn't have much expectations from this, but when I wore this I was stunned like how good it was looking. It's like a sleeveless dress and it has this square neckline. It has this snatchy kind of a thing at the waist which gives an illusion of an hourglass shaped body, and it just goes down. That is, it is a straight fit dress. So my height is 5'4" and it reaches to the very ankle. I got this one in the size XS. I just can't wait to wear this dress in one of the night parties, but कोई event ही नहीं आ रहा है. If you people don't know, then I am a third year medico at AIIMS Kalyani and अभी बहुत studies का pressure चल रहा है. So every day I look up to भाई कुछ event हो जाए and I can wear this dresses somewhere, but I don't know. Chalo, let's hope for the best. So yeah, this is the best thing that I got from Savannah in this haul. The second last maxi dress that I got is this one. Last time I had got like a similar blue one and I had worn it in one of the days of my fest and I got so many compliments for it. And when I saw this one on Savannah, definitely have to get another one for myself. Again, it has like these spaghetti straps, but these are not adjustable. Again, it is like this fit and flare dress, that is, it will hug you at your waist and below the knees it will just flare up. It's a black colored dress and it has this orange and red abstract things printed all over it. You can wear it at your nighttime party. It will give you an elegant and sexy look. Got this one in the size XS again and you should definitely give it a try. Trust me, at this point I'm so much convinced that bodycon dresses look so good on me. Previously I was so much skeptical that how it would look. I've been trying bodycon dresses, like long bodycon dresses, in a few months and I am like totally convinced at this point that these are the dresses that look the best on me. So I would also suggest you people to try different new things and you would never know that what looks good on you. So yeah, this was the third dress that I got, and now moving to the next one. Next thing that I got is not actually a dress, but it's like a two-piece set, that is a top and a long skirt. The best thing about two-piece dresses is that you can pair it up so differently. Like you can pair the top up with a jeans and then you can pair the skirt up with some other top and you can like mismatch so many things with it. This is the top. For the moment I was trying the black top, so many outfit ideas came into my mind. It has these spaghetti straps and these are the adjustable ones, so you don't have to worry about it. And the best part is how it looks from the front, that is, it gives a heart shaped thing. This is so cute. This came with this black colored long skirt which is like a straight fit skirt. This one in the size XS and I'm 5'4" and it reaches up to my ankle. In the picture it was worn like a top and a skirt, but I didn't like it much that way. I just pulled up the skirt a bit up and then pulled up the top in front and it was looking like a black colored dress only. I guess it was looking better that way on me. I just can't wait to wear it on a date. If you people are looking for like a quad set that is sexy and also versatile, you should definitely go for it. This top is like so good. I can pair it up with the jeans, I can pair it up with the skirt, and I can like create so many new outfits with it. Yeah, these were all the maxi dresses that I got, and then I got like a few mini ones also for myself. Let me show you people. The first thing that I got is one that I am sure you have seen all over Pinterest, which is this white colored satin short dress. And it is like available in so many different colors, so you can definitely go to Savannah and check it out for yourself. This is like a mini dress and again it has this spaghetti straps in the front, and the main attraction of this dress is the back, that is this crisscross thing that it has at the back. So the last time also I got one for myself which was in black and it was looking so sexy, so I thought that ki chalo वापस से एक ले ही लेती हूँ in a different color. This is the white thing that I got, and yeah, it is different from the last one क्योंकि last one was a different material and this is like a satin kind of a material. At the bottom it has this ruffling detail. Yeah, again it was looking so good on me, and you can like adjust the thread at the back according to your fitting. I got this one in the size XS and it has a lot of colors available, so don't forget to go and check it out. You might like some other colors also. Now, a girl's shopping is incomplete without buying something pink, so I got this pink dress for myself. The moment I saw it on Savannah, I was like, damn, I have to get it. It is like in a baby pink color. It has this sweetheart neckline in the front and also it is padded, so you do not have to worry what you're going to wear inside. Then the sleeves are these netted ones and it flares up at the distal end. But बहुत dresses ऐसे होते हैं कि when you're wearing it, the sleeves like fall off like this and that's so inconvenient. But this dress comes with an attached string at the back. You can like tie it and you don't have to worry about your sleeves falling off your shoulders. This is like again a mini bodycon dress. At the bottom it has this laces which I again find is so cute. So if you are a girly like me and you're looking for something pink, this is like a must have in your wardrobe. Again, I got this one in the size XS and you should definitely give it a try. Next up, I again got a very cute summery dress for myself, which is white colored dress. It has these spaghetti straps which are adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your size, and it has this sweetheart neckline. All over it has these olive green colored flowers and petals printed, which I find is so cute. Like again, a fit and flare dress, so it hugs you at your waist and there are flares at the bottom. I really like this one and I can't wait to wear it on one of my picnics. So yeah, this was the second last dress that I got. The last thing that I got is a red colored dress. You can never go wrong with the color red. If you're skeptical about what color of the dress that you should get, definitely you should go for a red or a black one. So this is the red colored dress that I got. This is like an off-shoulder dress which has this crisscross thing in the front. It has this zipper at the back and it is also like a fit and flare dress. The material of the dress is very good. I didn't like the length much. It was not short and it was not long, so I think that I'll alter it a bit. That's not a problem. It's the dress that I can wear again at nighttime parties and I love this one, and I also got this one in the size XS. So yeah, these were all the things that I got from Savannah this time, and I am sure you people loved all these dresses as much as I do. Go and check out the website and the app and you will find so many variety of dresses, tops, jeans, shorts, everything. It's like a one-stop solution for every girly out there. Again, Savannah is gonna have its Independence Day sale that is starting from the 8th of August till the 14th of August. So definitely go download the app, fill up your bags and go shop for yourself. And also you can use my coupon code, which is this, for an additional discount. So yeah, this was all about this haul. Let me know in the comment section below that if you people want more hauls like this, if you want me to try some particular dresses or tops, I would love to do that for you. And yeah, that was all about it. Chalo, bye bye. I love you people so much.